الله أكبر.
Ready to answer the 5 questions on the day of resurrection? Narrated from Ibn Mas'ud radiyallahu anhu that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, meaning, the son of Adam will not be dismissed from before his Lord on the day of resurrection until he has been questioned about 5 things. Number 1, his life and how he spent it. Number 2, his youth and how he used it. Number 3, his wealth and how he earned it. Number 4, and how he disposed of his wealth. Number 5, how he acted upon what he acquired of knowledge. Narrated by Tirmidhi. Therefore, let us prepare accordingly. Jazakallahu khairan. May Allah reward you the best.